何それ
Akavin! Hi! Yuri Yuri! Nico Nico Ni! Alright, guys and gals, this is your host, Ursa7, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a Nendoroid I got from the mailbox. This is featuring Nana Ebina from Umaru-chan, from Imuto Umaru, or Umaru's best friend. Her moiness and her prize doll is amazing. The other waifu from Umoto, other than the blue-haired waifu, the cat waifu, this one's the he's best friends with Umaru-chan right here. Always nervous. He's always happy with Umaru, a Nendo Umaru, or Komaru. She has two different forms. She turns into a Nendoroid. But Nana Ebina does not know that Umaru is a weeb and likes anime. Which, and you can see she snuggles the doll. Let's get straight to opening and unboxing it. Where is my box cutter? Oh my god. Oh, pain in the ass. Let's get straight to it. This is the box. The box Nana Ebina. Take all the contraband out. You can see this is the set contents. And this is how it's the configure, written in Moonspeak. It tells you how to put together the Nendoroids. Yep, and this is the stand that holds everything. This is with the waifu Nendoroids in there. And from this box, you got the ice cream cones and stuff. And another skirt. Finally got to stand out. You got the cat doll. You got the figureheads inside here, each one of these. Got the waifu Nendoroid. So let's take her out. Let's get her out of the bag. And you got that waifu Nendoroid, Ebina. And you can see her panties are white. Typical high school dress. Very moe-ish. You know, the pigtails. The Hatsune Miku hairstyle. Very moe. Does not watch anime. Just a normie, just like the rest of us. No, not like the rest of us. Let's disattach the stand. So let's put it together. So we got the Nendoroid on the stand. As you can see, you got Ebina, who's nervous, just like in the Nendoroid figure. So let's try something out. Let's try some more figures. Let's see what there is. Of course, at the top we got the Nendoroid happy face. So let's go with that one. Let's do it. Doo-doo-doo. Let's plop off the head. I'm gonna decapitate the waifu. Doo-doo-doo. And this thunder shot of her head. Very well made. That's the head. Gotta remove it. We got the nervous face, as she typically is. I just have to cut open this stuff. Eeny Benny cutter. And of course, and that's how you put it together. Yep, and that's how you put it together with that. And And it's gonna take a while to get the ice cream down. Ice cream though. Yay, we got it. Hello. Ebina. Happy Ebina. As you can see, of course, there's also her, the Nendoroid, with Umaru-chan. I don't know. Umarus. Alright. So let's get to the next ones. And they both involve swapping out the uniform again. And this one's kind of easy. And the cuddle one is just that. I'm just putting her with. And this is how you assemble her. Nervous face. Oh my god. He's panicking. Got the panicking Miku head. Alright. Stick the bobblehead into it. Oh my god. Nendo heads. And then got our nervous Ebina. Now, for the last one, is how do we get her on her knees? That's the easy part. All I do is rub, la 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 la. Got her nice. Got her skirt. She's still wearing panties. Dun, 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 dun. Married. And you can see that's how you do it. And that's where we have for the final one. That's the last one for the Nendoroid set. Alright. And of course, as always, I'm going to do my final last one. And of course, this involves having to remove our arms. But I still have to remove her head first before we do this. As you can see her. Oh shit. I lost her bottom torso. No, piggy. Oh god, I keep losing her arms. Ice cream's falling out. And of course, oh yeah, she's frantically panicking. And of course, that's my final custom set, the way I like to do it. And of course, with Umaru. Of course, put it all together. Yes, Ebina with the Himoto. You can see, that's about it. And that's finally the true unboxing for today. And this is your host, Urza7. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. of Nana Ebina from Humuto Umaru-san. I hope you have a happy new year. I'll start to catch you later. I'll start to see you. Bye-bye now. Bing. Happy Mutos.